Yeah. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Voice from the Gambia, digital voice from King's Farm right at the moment. Simply the way, well, before I go for that, I love to extend my greetings to my viewers out there, to my beautiful viewers around the globe in England, Finland, Netherlands, Holland, Norway, Germany, Sweden, America. I can't forget to ball up and big up to my people, West Africa, South Africa, Middle Africa, Central Africa, all over Africa, working at each and every day to change the biography or the narrative of Africa. Here I go. I am Lucky Child, the Prince of Africa. If you're new to the platform, simply subscribe. Basically, share the video, make a joining hand to the platform to raise Africa, to build Africa step by step. So right at the moment, I passed through in King's Farm well before the Ramadan. They were selling Tobaski rams, and then the thing go through, and they love to call Lucky Child to come back, and then so that they can thanks the viewers and the subscribers, the buyers all over the globe. So right now, well before King's Farm will thanks you guys, I, Lucky Child, will love to say thank you, my viewers out there, for supporting Gambian brothers who are doing hard working in the Gambia just to change the biography of their family and said Operation No to Bagway, Operation No Stealing, Operation No Break and Enter. So he's here, Mr. Ide. A lot of subscribers passed through, they meet him, and then a lot of families out there meet Mr. Ide. So he's the manager, the CEO is there, and then Amphal is there. So we see a lot of people in the Gambia, outer Gambia, pass through the politician and non-politician. So you can simply send your regards to the four corners of the world, and then greet my people and then thank them.
Yeah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh to all viewers, listeners, and subscribers, Yeah, memo be content, salola, mbafala if mubarak to everybody, mean. And memo be numbara memo be content, from my CEO and the team, and then you yourself, Lucky.
The eye of the Gambia, Lucky love the Gambia.
Yeah, because alhamdulillah, be niajem futatato jin tembo to futatato jin level to. Alata kola, is the support of the people,
Yeah.
You, the subscribers, the customers, and the whole lot of the Gambia, Yeah, because coming up going kumase kay nga jalo ko yan. Gambia no liya mutam fele, mo liya mutam fele, Yeah, so it shows us that what we are doing, mo liya appreciate le, mo laftala le, andung kula mi alonko. Mo be nyanta bulo dun na jele.
Yeah, yes.
Nya jube bi, alhamdulillah. Nya jube jambi at least.
Jambe mu sajol le.
Jambe mu sajol le.
Ela do morol fango fele ngamba.
Yeah, this is the fit.
Yeah.
But be alhamdulillah, ya jele we only have few left,
Yes, like
out of those almost 800 rams.
800.
Yeah, we bought.
Last year you guys sell 600.
600.
This yearly 800 one.
800 yeah.
So seems like next year likely 1,000 le target.
We want to supply the whole lot of Gambia, not even target 1,000. We want to supply the whole lot of the Gambia. Because one thing we understand, yal ne mol kataraka fole safer. So we are trying to solve a problem. Coming out in a previous video solved nyame.
Yeah.
Talk about try kan naka konko boni sa te
Gambia kono.
Coming
alba yengatur len kultom yalan ko mol ka fala ka buka falin Gambia momo ananasti alba lemnoto alba gadino la kuolto ni dunda King's Farm alba kas water lajang na in Virginia Street alba water lajang alba dut water lajang iba anything when it comes to agriculture iba tar lajang sajol la karola fana alkamama woto andale saji jama bal wafi ñun banna salola Gambia noli anu Gambian jamal fana ya sang albulu alkalba fola abaraka pour na molie mumba bantala and fana ali kule fana organize mi yalanko because niya mo King's Farm, it is a crew mi yalanko they build the farm mi yalanko wala nyim farm o build and niya jibe niya kay ko Kings farmer sol la farmer ke bal la farmer sol wala King's Farm ti because King's Farm ya sadio mu wafi nyinang Gambia sadio wafi la tije miyo wafi ya dida lima mu wafi Gambia saji wafi la tije miyo wafi Gambia kono and ali I love ka fo mole ko thank you ali Lucky loves the Gambia kumandi ali Prince of the Gambia kumandi alko bi ali chille organize for King's crew and then also to say all the supporters to say thank you for buying from King's Farm.
Yeah, to show our appreciation to all the supporters because we are here. It's because of them. You know what I mean? Because you munna bankol to come meta ka for nyame, we have to make it for ourselves. Nobody is gonna make it better for us.
For us.
You know what I mean? So na brothers will remember diaspora.
Yeah.
Mafule ya baraka bake over content la support like no because don't be man sadio sambul de bare kam kolle ka tande na they appreciate what we are doing.
Yes.
You know that motivate us and give us more strength, you know what I mean, to keep going on.
To keep going, moving on.
So la support na alhamdulillah na realize le. You know and mol fanam ben fe banko kanjana mi alon ko ya tande mol la ko. Yeah, they appreciate what we are doing, you know what I mean. You know, one of them who is like Baba Usainu. He came here by himself.
Okay.
You know what I mean, to support our idea, our business, you know.
Another
yeah. Amadou Sane fana nata janne president of Barindungo also shows his appreciation.
Another
for jang, you know what I mean, and many other people, you know what I mean. Me along koningkombe kontela jante ban. Yes, because manina mola nak. We have a lot of them. Model be welcome collect and yinikala. Allah saji ba munjeleti. Yeah, final price, but you know what I mean. We know we are Gambians.
Yeah.
Kaya kam call cafe Allah saji ba munjele 40,000, 50,000 cafe no until saji bal ngamin so raja we sell this is 35,000. It does not matter, you know what I mean. We want to help the Gambia.
Yeah.
You know, so still we have more plans and more ideas to come. You know what I mean. We asking support and help from everybody. You know what I mean.
Yeah.
So now brothers will remember Banta diaspora. But for that we have an idea. You know what I mean. But you know what I mean. We need support from everybody, you know what I mean.
Yes.
You know what I mean. Was near right now tenting, but ram sales lale so ya jele nying is jambando.
Yeah, nyimu manuality.
This organic.
Yes.
Manu. You know what I mean. After this, nimpareta ni ajibe the environment. Eka min jibe tenting.
Abe mungali no abe green.
Yeah. So right now, kana face rainy season na kon.
Oh.
So right now, sajiol yal ne sama kono. Ndola jan tumbol kasi ani fengola ke batandil.
Yeah.
So right now, you know, me fuel keep la jang. You know me.
So right now nyinta saji tati walo muntuta exactly. Mo saji no anyaye bo ay la fla mo mesal na pour ka fanan ka malian li pour ka turol bondi because saji kende ballem. And ane ajibe an for time fang saji ol lam yalanko ni jibe saji faringol lam saji healthy lingol lam saji ol yalanko ye kel and still they are eating. Eba domoro la. So right now ni mo laf ka fla sabana ni sang kata tati wano ni mo mela sang ka ju pour ka abula la famo kono pour ka ha pour que la femme bil wala do sa la fala pour kuliol ni nyambol ni maybe they have a family party also. So still anon tobaski fana man tambide because tobaski mo likely karekilin. So ni maso no tili follow tili flan nyango tili sabanyango fada ni karo bitala. So still a feeling ni mo la fa rek isa kumalino rek ina ñomoy. Yes. So defa namba fola Gambian ole munul be passed through dina len wal ne jërëjëf rek ci sen taxaway ci sun Gambia because dañ gis ne 75 to 95% of tobaski xar yu dee dugg Gambia dañ lay jógee ko ci biti te da nga gis ne lolu baaxu ci sun économie price yi dañ lay dem bu baaxa baax ci kaw te da nga gis ne suñ xaalis bi mo lay float outside. A lot of diasporas are out there investing in the Gambia. They are investing when it comes to food. They are investing when it comes to building in the Gambia. But all those monies are going to the foreigners. So when we see our young Gambian, talented, smart enough Gambians who are working out every day just for the Gambia, just for their family, we try to make a finger support, hand support, joining hand support, you know, so that, you know, we can raise Gambia to the higher level. Until Gambia moving, you know, through by the entrepreneurs, people who trying to change the Gambia without no politics. So right now, coming King's Farm Balorin Gambia Dulalto Mialonko, Gambia Fana Nyanta Lola, Fana King's Farm because Najala Lotele, because iko amfali afonya lefon ako fongo mamanta nyawo nyamu ya mamandi
yengu wa yengal wako ko dole
wa afo manika ko la fen fen ni
mamanta miya mamandi wala sembo warata
so atol fongo muga king
mamanka nyawo nya atol min kan tol mamandi atol le sembo so don tol so we are asking support from, you know, the bigger ends,
yes,
banks, you know, business entrepreneurs, you know, and everybody, you know, yana ngam bulol kenyo ka, you know, fansa konko bay nyim banko ka, you know, because ni ajibe dunia fa ka bring ala mbemba adamada setan nata loda kunto a balobe jibe ay muna realize abala aka kono la busa
aka jimbe batandi
aka ko nyine be batandi la. So number one, ni moye kono control rek, he control everything.
Somebody who feed you
is gonna push you to do things that you don't want. So ni ajibe in the first sense of creation muna hadama dingo muna deceive setan a deceive nyaadi le trois kono You know, because kono branding wala kay ko nyindo mo you'll be this and that.
Yes.
Okay, and then you know what I mean? Yeah, I boita alaka. So right now, ndol fana nyanta try manya nang konol bulala mulbul. We should try to control our stomach.
Yes.
For ourselves.
Meaning?
And right now, natural resources, so we have more than million natural resources.
Yes. We have more than a diamond resources.
Because we have water.
Yes. Water is more than diamond.
You know what I mean?
More water is more than a diamond.
Alako killing fear, falling. You know what I mean? You grow one seed, you have 100. You know what I mean? What is more, you know what I mean? And the geomantle batandija.
Gambia, yes.
You know what I mean? We have the sun, we have the fertile land, and then all those stuff. So we know what I mean? Idea you know, right, to push it and let it be, you know what I mean? So right now,
yes, we started.
So for the Gambia, our homeland, like they used to say, the national anthem, you know.
Yeah.
School all they can currently, but they does not. They can't formula meaning of our movement. Why they understand what it means?
What it stands for?
I guess yeah, every Gambian will be ready to die for his country, you know,
for his nation.
Yeah.
And then
for the Africa also, you know me.
Yes, man.
Yeah, because we say for the Gambia, our homeland.
Yes.
Try and work and
pray.
Yeah,
that's
so
why I always said I remix it for the Gambia today and for Africa tomorrow.
Always there, man.
Yes,
so,
because when we say
and
Africa,
for the world at large also.
World at large.
Yeah.
So let's maintain the peace and stability, comfortability in Africa, and also we plant more trees in Africa. We make sure we change Africa. We'll make sure that we follow the rules, tradition, and our culture. Let's not follow the west side of the world, and then original African brothers and sisters out there, all investors, everybody, we watch out back Africa, because Africa is the last victory to celebrate. Africa will fill the world. Africa will be the heart of the world. Africa will be everything of the world. Trust me, without Africa, the world cannot be the world. Trust me, what is the world without Africa? So right now, in case if you want to invest into agriculture, his number will be there. If you want to have more ideas in the Gambia about business, ram business, farm business, agriculture, whatsoever, when it comes to building, he's the best in the Gambia out of the rest. He's the one that built a house, King House. You see that one? He sketch everything, plan everything, and build everything. So he even build this. Yeah, so he's a builder. He can do anything. Jack of all trades. You know what I mean? So right now,
share our ideas with all brothers. You know what I mean?
And sisters.
You know what I mean? Yeah. I want we have to make Gambia better for us, man.
Yeah.
And for the future generation.
For the generation.
So it's a must.
Yeah.
So I'm ready to do whatsoever God give me. You know.
Yeah.
So I'm inside. No more paretarek. Until we are ready. King's Farm.
Yes,
all
man.
heart open. You know what I mean? Yes, langol fanam bi janna ni mili ujajol soto. Yes, ngi soto janna fana anin kuliol nim fanko dol, you know. Healthy and wealthy, you know.
Wealthy. Ni kulutal fana le bem kulutal le
bi janna ni lafta kulu sadio la fana.
Yes, if anything, you know, ni mula fa.
Because we want to make agriculture, you know, mean the backbone of the country. So we want to bring it back. Back again. You don't know how, but we gonna do it, man.
And then feed the country.
Yeah, man. But it's our responsibility, you know what I mean?
This is it.
So we have to take responsibility.
So as far as it's your plan to feed the Gambia, Lucky Child have already make a joining hand to King's Farm. So all my followers, let's join hands to King's Farm. We take Gambia to the higher level, to the next level, because every citizen have to find a road to build and develop our nation without no politics. Let me ask you a question. We can build the Gambia without no politician, because every politician come to fake but not to develop. But any politician who ready to develop in Africa, right now I'm talking to all African leaders, like all African leaders have to make a joining hand. And we follow Ibrahima, the president of Burkina Faso, to lead Africa so that Africa can change. This is my message today. And now we are going to the big site.
Yeah. Today we love to, you know what I mean, come together because it was so hectic. You know what I mean, doko siata dun saliwato kono. Behako fala boila na customer mi along ko me satisfied no, because na hadama di yalo me cannot satisfy all. So me more fanan tentula no me jaila no me along ko inara na business or support. And then, you know, I mean, today, as you know, King's Farm, ya jela da bebe ki derine. Yeah, because you know, mean after the hectic work and the hectic job, you know, mean we want to come together, sit, chat, relax, and then you know, mean share more ideas again, you know, mean
Yeah.
for next year, you know, because Ntolka Kenya, mean in Bana Salisajol Banta, we start to plan from that day
Okay.
for the next year.
For
So
the
we
next
are
year.
right now working on to the next year plan,
Yes.
you know, we are going back to the land for agriculture nga tiol sending a cool sending a fee, you know, preparing
Yes.
for the next year, you know me.
Yes,
So it's
definitely.
like a continuous thing, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So thank you very much. Ngata ba dale bala. Wo fanal bo fanan jela highlight so le ko kita nyameng, chilol kita nyameng. Pawaje bo bori na nyameng ko. Yes, I because